Good morning, students. In the previous class, we discussed about the elevation in boiling point, depression in freezing point, and its mathematical expressions. And we do today discuss about electrolytic solutions, abnormal molar mass, and Bantoff factor. Firstly, we discuss about the electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution. The aqueous solution of potassium chloride, the aqueous solution of potassium sulfate, the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, the aqueous solution of methanol, ethanol, propanol. These all are the examples of electrolytic solution. In these solutions, dissociation or association occurs of solute particles. In aqueous solution of potassium chloride, it dissociate to give K plus Cl minus. Aqueous solution of potassium sulfate gives 2K plus SO4 2 minus, SO4 2 minus. Similarly, aqueous solution of ethanol, it associated with the water molecules. In aqueous solution of ethanol, it associated with the water molecules with the hydrogen bond. Both are associated with hydrogen bond. Thus, we can say electrolytic solution is that solution in which association or dissociation is occurs of the solute molecules. Association and dissociation occurs of the solute molecules with the solvent. So solution is known as electrolytic solution. Electrolytic solution. Colligative property of a solution is depend on the number of solute particles. Hence, in electrolytic solution, the observed colligative property is different from the theoretically calculated colligative properties. Because in the case of dissociation, the number of solute particles is increases, the molar mass of each particle is decreases, and colligative property is increases, because colligative property is directly proportional to the number of solute particles. In the case of association, the molar mass of the particles increases, number of particles decreases, thus the colligative properties decreases. We repeat again. In the case of dissociation, colligative property increases. In the case of association, the colligative property decreases. The mathematical expression of colligative property of solution. The mathematical expression of colligative property of solution is not applicable for electrolytic solution. It is applicable when it multiply by a suitable factor. This factor is known as Bantoff factor. We repeat again. The mathematical expression of colligative property of solution is only applicable for non-electrolytic solution. It is not applicable for the electrolytic solution. It is applicable when it multiply by a suitable factor I. This factor is known as Bantoff factor. Bantoff factor. It is denoted by I. In dissociation or association, the observed molar mass of the particles is different from the theoretically calculated molar mass. This observed molar mass of the particles is known as abnormal molar mass. Abnormal molar mass. We repeat again. Abnormal molar mass. In the case of association and dissociation, the theoretically calculated molar mass is different from the observed molar mass. This observed molar mass is known as abnormal molar mass. Abnormal molar mass. The mathematical expression of colligative property of solution for electrolytic solution is pi V is equal to I N R T. For osmotic pressure, for relative loading of vapor pressure, P naught minus Ps by P naught is equal to I into mole fraction of the solute. Similarly, for elevation in boiling point, delta Tb is equal to I into Kb into I into Kb into molality of the solution. For depression in freezing point, delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into M. Delta Tf is equal to I into Kf into molality of the solutions. This I is known as Van't-Hoff factor. Van't-Hoff factor is defined as it is the ratio of experimental value of the colligative property and theoretical value of colligative property. Van't-Hoff factor is the ratio of experimental value of colligative property and theoretical value of colligative property. That is, I is equal to experimental colligative property by calculated colligative property. Theoretical colligative property I is equal to experimental value of colligative property by theoretical value of colligative property or calculated value of colligative property. I is equal to experimental colligative property by calculated value of colligative property. Colligative property is also written in the terms of molar mass. Colligative property is the ratio of calculated molar mass by observed molar mass. I is equal to calculated molar mass by observed molar mass. I is equal to calculated molar mass by observed molar mass. MC calculated molar mass and MO observed molar mass. Van't-Hoff factor is also written in the terms of Dissociation and association. Bhanta affected I is equal to number of particles after dissociation. I is equal to number of particles 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 after dissociation या association by number of particles number of particles number of particles number of particles before number of particles before dissociation या association. I is equal to number of particles after dissociation or association by number of particles before dissociation associations. Certain examples. What will be Bhanta affected of potassium chloride solution if potassium chloride is completely dissociate? We repeat again. What will be Bhanta affected of aqueous solution of potassium chloride if potassium chloride is completely dissociate? If potassium chloride, aqueous solution potassium chloride, if potassium chloride is completely dissociate, that is all of the potassium chloride molecules decompose to give K plus and Cl minus. Before the dissociation, KCl is 1 and after dissociation it is 0. Before dissociation KCl 0 and K plus 1. We repeat again. Before dissociation KCl 1, K plus 0 and Cl minus also 0, and after dissociation all of the KCl molecules is decomposed to convert it into K plus and Cl minus. Thus KCl is 0 and K plus 1 and Cl minus 1 for one molecules. Thus the Bhanta factor will be 1 plus 0 plus 0. 1 plus 0 plus 0, that is 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1, 0 plus 1 plus 1. Number of particles after dissociation by number of particles before dissociation 1 plus 0 plus 0. That is 2 by 1. 2 by 1. 2 by 1, that is 2. The Bhanta factor of aqueous potassium chloride solution if potassium chloride is completely dissociate, its Bhanta factor will be 2. Similarly, what will be Bhanta factor of aqueous solution of calcium chloride? What will be Bhanta factor of aqueous solutions of calcium chloride? We repeat again. What will be Bhanta factor of calcium chloride solutions if calcium chloride is completely dissociate? If calcium chloride is completely dissociate, then it break into Ca2 plus 2Cl minus. Before the dissociations, for one molecules, CaCl2 is 1 and Ca2 plus 0 and Cl minus 0. But after dissociation, all of the Cl2 molecules is decomposed. The remaining Cl2 molecules is 0 and Ca2 plus 1 and 2Cl minus 2 according to the chemical equation. Thus, Van top factor will be 2 plus 1 plus 0 divided by 0 plus 1. That is, Van top factor for CaCl2 I is equal to 0 plus 1 plus 2 divided by 1 plus 0 plus 0. That is 3 by 1, 3. So in this way, Van top factor is calculated. Students, please solve the problems related to Van top factor. Open the NCERT book and solve the problem number 32, 33 and last problems of NCERT. Last problem of NCERT 41, 40. This problem is related to Van top factor. Thank you.